All right, bro. What the fuck? Think I should put put this on. Yo, bro, I did good. Fuck, it's my phone. Yo, chat. What's good, chat? How you guys doing, chat? How you guys doing? Bro, there's no setup, bro. What the fuck? You cannot see anything. But chat, I think Nes gonna break its almost, I mean, all-time high, bro. See that? We're so close to uh, grab that high. Today's market was well like crazy, bro. Just so crazy. Let's see if we can get a setup. All right, we do see a setup right now on Nas. Chat, I do not see any setup on EU or pound, and I'm gonna leave USD JPY for today because it already moved like, bro, how many points did it move? It moved like 200 points. Even before Asian session, bro. So there's no point to trade that right now. It's gonna like consolidate. All right, let's see what we can get. Let me join the Discord. Today, New York and Q bearish. Let me see that. Let me pull up the chart, bro. Wait, bro. Not gonna lie, for GU, I was like very bullish until it didn't broke this low. And right now, as it has broken this low, I'll be looking for this low here. Sell side liquidities, and let me see the high time frame on the time. Yeah, I'll be looking for that. Once we broke that, it's gonna go for these weekly lows, bro. What is it? You see these? These two weekly lows are gonna be the next target once we broke that low. So I'll be looking for that if we want to go down. And if we look at euro, my analysis is exactly the same. I'll be looking for these levels on the weekly time frame for long term. But for today, looking at this low. By the way, chat, I went short right around here during the London session. I think I got out below this low, and I shared that trade on my Discord server, but it's not moving right now, bro. Because I think we have two news for. Let me check on that. Yeah, we have two news. One for euro at uh, I think it's 1 a.m. Yeah, it's 1 a.m. New York time, and we have another news for pound. It's at like 1:30 a.m. So we have like two news, high impact news. That I think that's why both of these pairs are right now are stalling. Alright, we swept that 5 minute high on Euro. Let me check on G. G is not willing to go up, bro. I look for that CB right there. It can go down from there. Let's see that. Do we have anything? Alright. Wait for it to tap into the premium. After that, you can take a short around within that CB right there, or you can use these uh, uh, bullish fair value gap, I guess. You can use that as an inversion right there. So let's see if price goes up there. And for USDJP, bro, I'm not looking at anything. It's gonna sweep these highs today. That's what I guess. It's gonna sweep these highs. What the fuck? Let me go back to NAS, bro. Do you have anything on NAS? Our NAS is working within this BC right here. Bro, it's gonna tease, bro. NAS gonna tease. It's teasing trader today because we're so close to the all-time high that price should break through that with speed. So uh, buyers are gonna go crazy whenever we come close to that level. They're gonna buy. That's why it's pulling back. I think we will go there today, but I don't know when it's gonna go there, bro. Yeah, there's no indication yet, bro. But I do not wanna see that low right there to be swept. If I see that, if I see this low being swept, there's nothing I can do, bro. What the fuck? All right, it's going there, bro. What the fuck? Yo, bro, what's up? Yeah, I'm doing well, bro. What about you? Yeah, bro, the move already happened on most of the pair. That's why it's slow, bro. Used JPL moved like 200 points before the Asian session even moved, bro. Oh, oh, when I saw that, I was like, what the hell, bro? What are you trading right now? Have you guys taken in trade though? Euro, bro, bro. In my life, I marked that high to be swept. I think go ahead, go ahead. We have like two high impact news for gold. I mean for pound and euro. That's why I think they're stuck right now. Yep, I think you should, I think you should look for a setup on uh, GU, I mean pound, because that's gonna move. I think there's gonna be like cleaner price actions. Because if you look at GU right now, comparing with the euro, euro took out those highs, but GU failed to took out those highs. So there's gonna be like some SMT right now, and we have some sell side liquidity yet to be taken on pound. So it's not gonna willing to move higher if we want to see lower prices on pound. So I think you should look at pound. Though I do not trade that, bro. I only trade like two pairs. Oh, great. Yeah, you can use that for like an indicator. Yeah, Euro GBP is pushing up, bro. Bro, are you guys trading NAS right now? Anyone trading NAS? London session. All right. Bro, right now it was so close to break that all-time high. I thought it's gonna go up, and right now it's pulling back. Like I, bro, I don't know what the fuck happened with gold and NQ, bro. They are just going up and up, bro. I don't know how much higher gold's gonna go, bro. Yeah, yeah, yes, bro. I think you can look for a short on GU, I guess, right now. If we form that 5 minute SMT right now, wait for euro to form a swing high. Do not just short if you see a swing high on pound, but wait for euro to form that as well. I think at least we can like get around at least 10 points we can grab there. But I don't know if we have sell side liquidity resting yet. It's scary, bro. Today's market is scary. I was like down 700, but uh, I think I took like 3 or 4 trades today. Bro, I traded over today, but I got to break even again, bro. Right now I'm just waiting for setups. I traded like I think I traded. Let me see. Well, I forgot what the fuck. Euro, yeah. I took that sell on euro. The Thursday, yeah, yeah. I got out around below that Thursday low. There's a Thursday low. I targeted that, and yeah, I got out. Let's see, euro didn't even form any swing high yet. It's gonna take out that high right there. That I think 445 high. It's gonna be swept, and at that time I'll probably look for a failure swing on G. 445 high. 445. Yeah, yeah, 45. Yup. Da, da. What the fuck just said? I saw your last video. You're fine now. Suddenly. Yo, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, yep, sub up chat. Partially though. I'm short until London low liquidity on NQ. Bro, I went short on NQ too, but I got out, bro. It was fucking stressful on NES. If you look at NES right now, it's going up. I'll probably get out of that. I'll probably stay out of it. It's not looking good though. For me, I'll probably uh, just buy NES. I'm not looking for any sell on NES though. I'll look for buys. Yeah, it's moving right now. I saw your last video. Are you fine now? Yeah, yeah, bro. I'm fine, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing, man? Yeah, Nas gonna swipe that all-time high, I guess. It's going up like crazy, bro. Might long that shit. I might long that shit. Not gonna lie. Let me just wait. Give me something, bro. Come on. Give me something. Fuck, bro. Yes, doesn't look good. Chat, have you guys taken any trade today? Or you're just still waiting? Right, alright. Come on. Use that as an relation. No, no, no. I'll probably long the shoot right now. Fuck, it's so loud, bro. Come on. Let's see, chat. I'm long on NQ, I mean NES. Bro, it's too much fluctuation right now. What the fuck? That's the medication block right there. So I'll be looking at that. If we like stay above that, we're good. I don't want to see that low being uh, price come back within that low. I want to see price stay above that uh, opening price on that upward candle. USD chat UI, GU Euro Pro. What the fuck are these doing there? Alright, G Euro gonna swap that high, bro. Euro's gonna swap that high, and we have a fair value gap right there. So I'm using the 5 minute, and I think it might like feel some of this uh, sell side inefficiencies. I mean buy side inefficiencies. These are some sell side imbalance. So and if you grab your pip with that high to that low, there's the 50% of that range. So we have a high below 50%. So price is gonna tap into premium before If we want to see price go down, I would expect price to create some sort of manipulation above here, right around here. We might have some SMT, then go down. So that's what I want to see on Euro. And GU, I probably do not want to see GU break that high. If it does, I'm gonna take my peep and measure that right there. So that's gonna be my setup for GU. So it's probably gonna tap into that 40, and I do have that video right there also. You can see, bro, it didn't even move. What the fuck? Nas didn't even move. Oh, alright. Let's look at Nas. So far it's looking good though, but let's see. I'm risking like 200 on that trade, chat. Not much, but let's see, chat. Yeah, I'm risking like 228 bucks, 28 bucks on that trade, and it's not. It's like 1:2, I think. Yeah, 1:2 trade. So let's see. My stop loss are right around here. Though I do not want to see like price uh, go below that low, but let's say we are so close to all-time high though, so we might just go up from there as well. But we also have to keep in mind that we have a CB right there as well. I want to see price inverse that though. So that's our like, if it goes down from here, it's because of this CB right here. But I do not want to see price took out that swap that low. If we want to go higher and take out that all-time high. Alright, we do have another small CB right, BC right there. Alright, I think I'm gonna reduce the risk a little bit, I guess. Nah, I'll let it go. I'll just keep it there. Alright, Euro's gonna swap that high so quick. Please don't back my heart. Bro, you have you guys seen that move right there before the Asian session even started on USD It moved like chat almost, yeah, 206 points within one. I think it was a 5 minute candle, or was it a, bro? That was like a 1 minute candle, bro. Market moved like 206 points within 1 minute candle, bro. Yep, might get stopped out on this one, chat. Let's see there. The Come on, bro. All right. That's gonna be the first loss of the New York session. If I get stopped out, All right, this one's is scary right now. This one's is scary. You see that inverse uh, BC right there. If we do not like close out of that, it's gonna go down, bro. The way you entered seems chasing price. Wait for a better day, bro. I entered on within that BC right there, and for my I mean compared to my analysis, I do not wanted to see price like uh, go below that. But let's see if I did something wrong, I'll take a loss. That's it. But I do I'll probably gonna manage my risk if it goes one more time below that. That's why I risked a little bit, not too much. I risked like 200 bucks on that trade. It's like point 0.4%. Yeah, not even a half percent risk on the trade of my whole capital. If I was sure, I would go in with like two or three lot. Let's see. Hi, bro. Yo, bro. What's up? A question. What is it, bro? Shoot, bro. Shoot. All right, we came back up again. I might add some more. Should I add? Nah, I'll probably gonna just let it run. I'll probably just let it run, chat. Now I'm gonna trail my stop loss below that low there. There's gonna be my stop loss. Let's just trail that. So it's like 147 bucks right now. You could see it's not a big stop loss though. So yeah, we did have another CP right there as well, bro. I didn't see that. So there's my stop loss. If I want, I can get out right now, but I think like it's gonna like swap that high and shoot, bro. All right, bro, that doesn't look good. Let's see. Someone said GBP JPY. Bro, I do not trade GBP JPY. I only trade like Euro, Pound, and USD JPY and NAS. Yeah, NAS and ES. I do not trade ES, but I have it on my watch list to see the correlation. That's it. All right, we tapped in within that. Tapped into that order block right now. Bullish order block. I'll see how price reacts from there. Let's see. I'll just take my chat. Give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, yep, sub up, bro. By the way, chat, I'm down like 2% on my Finoti funding account. I mean, that's the evil though. It's, I think it's first stage, and let's see if I blew that out. I can get it back. It was pretty tough though. Friday was pretty tough, bro. I did manage to get two big wins today. I think I managed to hit like 500 on one, and I guess another one was like 400 something. It was, yeah. Have you blown an account before, bro? Ask how many, bro. I've blown like, I think at this moment I've blown like seven, eight, nine. I guess nine accounts. But um, I need I think nine accounts. Five or four of them were like free accounts. Others were like, bro. But I do not regret for that, bro. I knew that if I'm gonna like trade these prop accounts, I'm gonna blow until I know how to like control myself and have some boundaries. I'm gonna blow accounts, bro. There's no one in this industry who do not like blow, who never blown a account before. And I also blown like two personal accounts. When I first started my trading journey, I blown like two accounts. Though it was like crypto trading, but I did blow them up, bro. I made some little bit profit on those accounts. Then I uh, take those profits off. After that, hit funded account and two real account, bro. That's like me, bro. I've blown like eight, yeah, I've blown nine almost, bro. This shit is like we already closed that CB fully. You see that candles high? It dug deep into that CB right there. So right now, what I want to see like price break that high. Once we break that high, we're gonna shoot. But if it goes down one more time, we are good. See that? You see that chat? Give a thumbs up for that, bro. Are you from India? No, bro, I'm not from India. As soon as we uh, swap that high right there, it's gonna shoot. Because there's nothing to fill in right now. Let's see. I might trail my stop loss a little bit harder, bro. I'm not like that much sure about this trade, but let's see. All right, it's euro. Euro didn't even swap that high yet. Euro didn't swap that high yet, chat. So wait for that. Yeah, there's no setup right now. It's just JPEG going higher, bro. Bro, I want to see a candle closure above that CB right there. Unless I see that, there's nothing I can say about that. So the analysis is that one, as we have uh, closed that CB right there with that move, so there's nothing to fill in right now. So once we close above that, that means price should not go below into that CB one more time because there's nothing to fill in. So it should take support off of that and should. I didn't expect that you trade. What the fuck, bro? I've been trading like almost 5 years right now. You thought, oh, I'm only gonna put ICT's content. That's gonna be my like career. What the fuck, bro? And how did I got into this shit? Whatever, bro. You have your own perspective. I want to see that candle closure chat. You see how price is moving right now? All right, I'm up like $100 right now. If I want, I can get out right now, but I think I'm not gonna get out. I'll let it run. Give me a like candle closure. Yeah, we closed out that CB right there. Let's see, bro. This doesn't look good. Yes, making lower lows. Fuck. I cannot trust this, bro. Chat, I think I'm gonna go break even on this trade right now. This doesn't look good. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even chat. Something on the chart I do not like right now. I'm break even chat. Right now I'm gonna just let it run. Have you watched the core content? I've watched all of ICT's video, and someone asked me, what software are you using for YouTube stream? OBS, bro. I'm using OBS. Come on, bro. If price comes back down one more time here, I'm gonna go break. I'm already break even on this trade, but if it does, that's not a good scenario to stay in this trade. Any mentorship of ICT can make you profitable. Bro, it's only you who can make you profitable. You go learn like thousands of content that's not gonna make you profitable. It's only you until you have uh, know what model you're gonna use or what strategy you're gonna use when you open those charts, what you see on those charts. Until you figure that out, you're not gonna be profitable. And even after finding your strategies or whatever model you say that, the critical part is that your mind, bro. Until you have control over your mind, bro, you're not gonna be profitable. Chad, you see that? I went long, I think around here, yeah, within that candle, and right now I'm break even. 1 hour fair value should be remain until as ES fill it 100%. I didn't even go to 1 hour chart, bro. By the way, chat, if you want to like check out Fnatic funding, go ahead, check them out. You're gonna get 25% discount with next gen ICT coupon, and they do have some great environment to trade in. Like there's a, let me show you that. I think there is this system where you can like see how much you're risking, like minimum like how much you can risk per trade. You're gonna see that, and when you're like, I think it's like getting close to your below your account, it's gonna tell you that. You can see that on their dashboard. If you want to, you can like check them out. There's so many things I can talk about right now, but let me just focus on this trade though. Fuck. Chat, that's the 1 minute fair value gap right there. Where is that, bro? Fuck. No, it was like 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah, my mistake, chat. It was a 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see how it reacts from there. Are you gonna break the all-time high, chat? I either like trade NAS before 9:30 or after 9:30. I do not trade during 9:30, bro. It's too much of risk to put in. I should like book some profit right now. Can I book some profit on this? No. Yeah, I can book some profit on that. Should I book some profit though? Yeah, I'll book some profit, chat. Yeah, I closed 50% right now. I took a partial right there. And I'm gonna let this one run. Yep, it is gonna break that all-time high bro today, and then it might like go lower. See, it's just stalling close to that all-time high, and we do not have any news today though. We only have two, one for euro and another for pound at 1 a.m. and 1:30 a.m. for pound. Both of them are high impact news, bro. Because of the shutdown, the market is going crazy right now. We had so many news this week, but eh, those are yet not like confirmed yet. It's tentative, bro. What the fuck? All right, come on, bro. Fuck. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and yep, sub up, chat. Bro, that doesn't look good, bro. You see where price is stalling right now. You see that? I might just trail my stop loss to profit right now. Because I do not want to see price pull back down more without sweeping that all-time high. You know, that's like, well, that's 20 bucks. We might come back into this uh, BC right there one more time before going up. I'm not sure though, either it's gonna go up from there or is it gonna tap into that. But if we can see that remain unfilled, that's the best scenario. Let's have a look at euro. All right, euro is gonna swap that high chat, and keep in mind that we're gonna look for that 1 minute review right there. If we want to go down, I'll be looking at that. Though I'm not gonna trade that 1 minute time frame. Yeah, GU still hanging within that dealing range. That's good though. All right, let's see what's going on here. How many ticks have I captured? Bro, that was like 22 points on NAS. Wow, bro. Let me have some water. Fuck, bro. Fuck, bro. I forgot about that, bro. So what? All right, we stepped that all time high. I'm gonna close my full chat. Damn, it's fluctuating so much. Amount chat we made. How much did you make on that trade? We made like, how much did you make? 175 bucks. Not bad. So I was telling that someone in the chat told me that that was not a good entry. Bro, put some fucking W's in the chat right now. You saw me execute this trade from the very beginning to the end. As I told you, I think I did a mistake in terms of picking the medication block. I think it was that one right there. That up close candle price went down after tapping into that, and you could see that this candle's low comes at 24,975.85, and this low right here is exactly the same. So price exactly tap into that, and we had like a BC right there also, and there it is. There it is, chat. A fucking good trade. Well, let me talk to the Discord community. Bro, there is he's still trading gold. Nah, I'm not into that. Chat, give a thumbs up, chat. And if you're new here, sub up. More content are coming in. I'm gonna put more content in the channel from today. I think not today. Yeah, from today I started like following a routine in my life. I woke up today at 7 a.m. Went to sleep yesterday, last night at I think 11 p.m. Yeah, 11 p.m. I woke up at 7 a.m. Did my workout, everything, and yeah, I'm working a lot in my for my content right now, and also in terms of my trading strategies. Bro, why the fuck? I could have captured more. Like, how much point is that? Bro, I could have captured like another 15 points there. But no hurt feelings. We should not have any hurt feelings though. Fuck. Yep. You see price, how price respected that midpoint of that week. Bro, that's fucking like crazy. And if we take uh, also that BC right there. Alright, I'm done for NAS. I think there's no setup right now on NAS. We're done. Alright, we swap that high on Euro. So nice. That's nice. Now I want to see how this motherfucker goes. Alright. I'll go short on pound chat. What are you looking at right now? Bro, I'm about to turn 25 this October 16. I'm getting old, bro. So October 16 is my birthday, bro. Today is 6th of October. And shit's getting hurt. Shit's gonna get hurt, chat. Everything's getting hurt as growing up. Bro, what can I say, bro? That's good though. Price is hanging within that level there. All right, we have a simply right there also. If we break this high right here, I'm not going short because of that S&P right now. Let me tell you something. If we see that highs being violated, price is gonna go up for these highs. Or we have some equal highs right there also. It's gonna go for these highs. Once it like break this that high right there. If it doesn't, if it if it like break below that low, it's gonna go down from there. But if we break that high right there, it's not a good scenario to like go short. You're gonna kill your trading with this live sheet. Thanks, bro. Let's see. I'm live trading only for I think 2.5 hours daily. But most of my analysis are done before a London session even starts. And you do not even see everything on my chart. You see this? You see this? That's the fucking secret of my trading. And you probably thinking like I'm only doing this live to get some clout. That's not it, bro. And this YouTube not don't even like make me. What's the purpose for course selling, bro? I didn't even start selling the course yet. I was about to take in new students this month, but because of some delay, I'm doing some delays because of I don't know why I'm doing this delay, but I think I'm gonna make it more delay. Bro, I'm not gonna say anything like I'm not gonna lie about anything. That's the thing. Those who wanna stay with me will stay, bro. If they wanna learn, they will join. And I'm not like charging $1,200 for some bullshit, bro. And I'm not even gonna charge that much money from someone. At least I can say that. What's your strategy? So all right, let me say that again. Know where price is going. That's the first and foremost secret to trading. Know where is price going. If you don't know that, like you can't figure this shit out. And I think it took me like 1.5 years to figure that out. Right now, some of you are thinking if you only like learn ICT concept or learn from someone, it's gonna make you profitable. But let me tell you, bro, that's not it. There's no one in the chat right now, or not even in this ICT cult, who watched more videos than me. Let me tell you that. I've watched all of ICT's contents. I think I started from his Sniper series. Then I watched all of his OT setup videos. I think there was like 21 videos, 21 or 23 in his OT series. I've watched all of that. Then his every latest video I've watched, went through them. Then watched like his private content, those he put on his channel. Even after that, I couldn't find my strategy, bro. I was like shifting from this model to this model, and I was using every PDA I was watching. And right now, I'm not using any of that. I have all right. Price broke that high, so I think it's gonna go for that high right there. Right now, I'm just using one PDA, and I'm not gonna say what it is, but another thing to like know where price gonna go. And you saw me doing this live and telling you everything. At least when I get like stopped out for some mistake, I can figure that out why I got stopped out. What the fuck did I do wrong? I can tell that. Bro, go and learn CRT, bro. and then fucking kill yourself. Go and learn CRT. Whenever I visit X, bro, some of you guys are never gonna understand this, bro. But price is gonna go for this equal highs right there. I told you, if we broke that high, it's gonna go up, bro. There you go, in front of you, bro. That's gonna price gonna gravitate towards those highs. Let's see. By the way, let me clarify one more thing. The only reason I'm doing this live stream is to keep me busy, bro. I'm living alone. I have nothing to do right now. Not gonna lie, I have nothing to do. So I had to do something, bro. That's why I'm doing these lives, talking with you all. Then, yeah, I can keep myself busy. Bro, what the fuck? Used to check right. Wow, like, shit. Alright, Euro gonna tap into that 1 minute fair value gap. Euro's gonna tap into that. Do journaling every day. Open your whatever you're trading, just pick two. Open your chart, take screenshot, uh, monthly, weekly. I think you can start with the monthly, then weekly or daily time frame. Weekly, daily, then go to 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute. That's it. Take screenshot every day. Put them in a Google Drive folder and revisit them whenever you get free time. You wanna see like something's gonna came up reveal to your eyes, bro. That's what I did. Every session I used to take screenshots and put it like into my drive folder, and I did that for straight 19 weeks, bro. And I do have that Google Drive with me, so there's nothing to lie about. With that thing, I figured out this shit. Sure, bro. Bro, I, bro, I should have like kept my position on Nas, bro. It moved like fuck, bro. It moved like another. How many points did it move? Fuck. Chat, it moved like another 49 points, bro. Fuck. What the fuck? Whatever. If I see that one more time, I'm gonna go crazy. Right. These are too clean though, so we might take those out and try to see if price. If we see like see price doesn't go above that high, that's a best scenario for us. And even if it does, I might lose my interest to go short on pound because I do not want to see that high being taken on pound. If we want to go low for euro, euro is going to tap into that, I guess, but it's already tapped into the premium zone, chat. I told you I told you when price was right around here, it's gonna go for this highs, and you could see, bro. And we tap into premium, so we might go down, but let's see if we can form a 15-minute swing low, swing high on euro or pound. If we see that, then we could go to a lower time frame and look for our setups. Oh, that's a productive five for me. Yup. Yeah. That's my productive five. Bro, he used to check what the fuck is he doing, bro? Bro, this shit made me crazy today, bro. What the fuck just happened? So, fuck. Alright, we have this bicep liquidity on East January yet to be taken. It just straight opened and then went up, bro. Didn't even like created any low. Right. Create any low. Fed, when we hit the news, I mean when the market opens, look for this low. That low right there, look for that low. If market starts to go down, we're gonna like swap that low and let me see. Alright, we might tap into that BC right there. So these are the two points you're gonna look for on NAS when the market opens. Bro, have you ended your? Alright, you're still in there. Alright. Liquidity fight. Who are you asking to, bro? Come on. Please don't break my heart. Chad, I think we're gonna go down when we hit the 9:30 opening. Where is that? There it is. That's the 9:30 opening. So we will go down. Let's see. Today Nasdaq have liquidity void. Did you see that? Right. I've forgotten like what's liquidity void. Let me see. Are you talking about this one? Bro, I forgot like what's liquidity void, bro. I haven't used that term in years, bro. I think that's funny, bro. So yeah, today when I started like looking at the night shot, I was trying to see if price could tap into that BC right there into the discount zone to buy. but it didn't even come here, bro. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna, when the news hits, I mean, when the market opens, it's probably gonna go down into that. And because we have that still to be tagged in, bro. Yeah, we have these stop loss to be taken into that like discount zone. So it might go down to that, but let's see. Only time will say that. All right, yes, so far. All right, we formed a 5 minute swing high there. I'll only look for setup if we can form a 15-minute swing high right there. Yeah, GU is also forming a 15-minute swing high. I think it's not gonna go there. Let's see, chat. I wanna. GU didn't even created any swing high yet on the 15-minute chart. On the 5 minutes, yeah, when this candle close, we're gonna have a swing high. So we might have a setup today on GU. But if this candles like cross that high and go up, there's no setup. It's gonna take out these highs. That's for sure. Weak open gap. So say that, bro. Why are you saying like new uh, liquidity void? We've been using that term like new opening gap for so long. Well, what the fuck? I do not see that in my chart. Yeah, why you do not see that in my chart though? I think it's on the futures chart, not on uh, indices. Yeah, not on indices, bro. Yes, still haven't taken its all-time high. So there's another confirmation to look for like lower prices on NAS. There's another reason, chat. Maybe ES just gonna swap that low right there and then go up. I don't know though, but if it's gonna take break that its all-time high, it should do that. It should like swap that London sessions low and then go up. And then it could like go back down there. Yep. Let me see. All right, we have these lows to check in also. Oh, fuck. Bro, it's almost 8:30 and there's no setup yet on euro and pound. What the fuck? JPY is pulling lower, bro. Come on. What the fuck? Please don't break my heart. Mm, 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 mm. Yo, Bernie, what's up, bro? It's been a long time. Come on. What the fuck, bro? Fuck. Alright. Alright, we formed the swing high on the 5 minute time frame, but I would love to see price come back close below that low, so that we can use that candle as a breaker. That's the like safest rate you could take, because I don't know either it's gonna go up until we like form the 15-minute swing high there. I don't know either it can go up from there if I don't see a 15-minute swing high there. So there's still one candle left for a swing high to form on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, still have to like wait for 20 minutes. That's the shit, bro. We'll have to wait. You see that? If anyone like went short after seeing that SMT on the 5-minute chart, they're gonna get cooked, bro. I think we had a small BC right there. Chad, how many of you have taken trade today? Or are you guys still waiting? I think I'm still down like 2% on my prop account eval. So yeah, we have to get back 2%, bro. Fuck. There it goes. Simple as that, bro. Please don't break my heart. All right, let's see. So this low here is a very like sensitive low right here, because it's more like a support for price to go down. We have we have this big huge like CV right there, imbalance you would say. So that high becomes a support for price. So it should like keep price below that. And you could see we didn't close above that yet. Well, we could have like captured 20 pips, bro. What the fuck? So that was like $1,000 with 5 dots. Fuck. I'll probably just listen to some songs. Either my own stream. Let's see how's the sound go. All right. Please don't break my heart. Sounds good. Alrighty. Bro, you're trading crypto right now? Mm, Is it gonna stay bullish? I took it red though. I took it red on mass. Uh, to that all-time high. I think I captured like 22 points there. Where is that? Where is that? Right there. Went long around here. Is it there? No, no, no. Nah, 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 bro. I went long around here. Yeah, I went long around here, I guess. Let me see that on 1 minute chart. Yeah, within that candle right there. It's gonna go down when the market opens. All right, it's now 8:30 open, bro. So right now it's 8:30. Let's see if we can get a setup. Please don't break my heart. Let me check, bro. Can't hear me. Yo, bro. Hello. All right, so let me join again. Hello. 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 What the fuck? Bro, can you hear me right now? Bro, I need to connect again. Let me connect again. Where is that? There it is. Yo, bro. Hello. Yep. So you're trading cryptos right now. You're married? Right, yeah. You don't sound like you're married, bro. How old are you? How old are you? Yeah, yeah. You're 38? Bro, you sound like a 17, bro. When did you like get got married? 2 years. So you got married at 36. Oh, that's better. That's better. How I can shift to the futures trading? Can you tell me any helpful ICT video to know the market? Bro, there's a plenty video you can check out. Go to his channel and there are so many videos you can check out right now. And I'm not into futures right now, so I can't exactly tell you which video should you watch. You should like watch. I think you can watch his latest videos. Those are enough. So you haven't like taken any trade yet? Uh, so how's crypto trading for you, bro? Okay, I hate crypto, bro. It's like it's fucking like shit, bro. I hate crypto, bro. I can like invest into some coins, but I'm not gonna trade crypto anymore, bro. But there's no like correlated pairs, so that you can like measure its move. That I can trade like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I cannot like trade other coins, bro. Bro, when Bitcoin was like around $19,000, me and my other friends, when I was living with my parents, I told him like it's gonna go up, bro. Bro, it's now around, I think after 2 or 3 years, it's now at uh, almost over 100K. And now there's no chance to like invest in. It should make a bear run right now. Yep, bro. Euro and pound just stuck right now. There's no setup. Yeah, I can hear you. I think they don't. They're only gonna hear like my microphone. Yep, there's like still like 1 hour left for the 9:30 opening. So you are a full-time trader or like do something else with that? You're a full-time trader. All right, great, great. If someone like trade full-time, bro, he's gonna be like fucking crazy. Like he's gonna be messed up all time, bro. It's get into the head very first, bro. So you have to like be keep yourself busy with something else also. Where are you from, by the way? All right. So you trade like, bro? No, no, no. I'm not from India, bro. Let's keep that secret. I'm gonna reveal that not now, but s- everyone's gonna be like gonna go crazy when I reveal that, bro. I'm not from India, that's for sure. All right, ES having a nice pullback right now, so NAS could go down. It's gonna go for those equal lows, bro. If it goes down, then it's gonna go for that London session slow. Because if you look at like ES already took that. Let me tell you what time it is. It took out like Sunday's 6:40 p.m. low, but if you look at NAS, it didn't. So NAS gonna take out that low as well because there's the stop loss. Most of the stop loss are still there. So if it goes down, the price gonna go to that level, and that's also like relative equal lows there. Let's see. ES does look pretty good. I've never traded ES, bro. Why 8:30 opening? The extra, bro. The pound and euro is still going higher. What the fuck? I think we're not gonna see any setup today on Forex pairs. They already moved like. You also trade gold. So you have like your personal capital or you trade like prop accounts? You trade prop accounts or like crypto, your personal capital? Do you not like trade prop accounts? I mean evals. Personal capital is, if you have a personal capital, it's good. I've heard about that also. Yes. Yeah, I've never tried that one, like copy trading, but I've heard about that. So there's only you and me in this chat right now during opening. So are they like your friends? Well, yeah, are they from your place or like from other country? Oh, right. That's good, bro. No, nobody in my friend circles does this, bro. I haven't like seen anyone in my country like uh, as many I know, they never like traded like no one sees a trader, bro. Whenever I say like I'm a trader, they say like my friend lost like this much money trading shares that these they don't even know like who what I do. Yeah, I've never got found anyone in my area like who trade also. But but I think like doing this alone is good. But you can chat with the others to like time pass. Uh, but doing this alone is I think it's the best choice. You're gonna have your focus on that shit because like you'll have like uh, uh, everyone gonna have like different opinions on each setup, so you're gonna get confused. 3 years like this Discord community. When did you started like trading? I mean, I mean, how did you like got into this? Yeah, just like me, bro. So how did you like you came across ICT's content? Oh, so they so they already like knew about him. Yeah, yeah, bro. He's a genius, bro. Like, how the hell, like, he knows this much information? Uh, it's funny. I got into like ICT. I think I came across one of Juicy's video. You know Juicy? I came across one of Juicy's video when I got into trading. I didn't even like started learning trading that time, but I came across one of his motivational stuff, and I like when I watched that full video, bro, I told myself like I need to figure, I need to know who's this man. I thought he died, bro. I thought it was someone who died. It was so funny, but I went in a video description and I found out about like ICT. After that, I started learning his concept, and it's been like I did that like for almost 2 years. Even after that, I was not profitable, bro. That's not because of my psychology, but I didn't know like well, what I'm gonna look for when I like open the church, because there's so many things. Once there's someone who first started learning ICT, they think like they know everything. Like you have fair value gaps, you see one fair value gap respected price, you put some money in crypto and try to trade that. I blew my account like that. Like I learned ICT concept for 3 months, and I thought that, bro, I know so many things right now. So what I did, I deposited like some money in my crypto wallet, traded that, blew that within like 2 days. After that, I had never deposited any personal capital that time. So I need to figure that shit out. So yeah, right now it's been like 5 years right now. Yep, and I don't even like watch any new concept or video about trading because I have what I need. But like if you like keep watching these videos, you're gonna like get confused. If you have your strategy or model, like why would you like watch any other video, bro? Bro, what the fuck, bro? Someone in my chat said like liquidity buy. I'm telling him like what's that, bro? He's saying that that's the new opening gap. I'm saying like tell that first. Why are you saying liquidity void? I forgot about that shit. I only know like I only know like fair value gaps and liquidity pools. That's what I use. External range liquidity and internal range liquidity. I don't know anything else. That's it. But my someone in my chat said someone in my chat said new opening gap. Liquidity void is like when price jumps from some place to another place without any like continuation or something. Bro, Nas not even moving right now. It's consolidating right now. Fuck. We have a high though. There's a oh, that's not a breaker though. Fuck. Bro, yes, just keep going down and down. I think it's gonna take out that London session slow. I think it's gonna take that low before 9:30. Oh, started like streaming. I think let me check when I like moved on to my new apartment. Moved on to my apartment like how when let me see. I think it was like 2 months ago. Yeah, I started streaming 2 months ago when I moved on. Huh? You mean what? Yeah, yeah, I do this shit because, bro, the like my friends live like far away from me, so there's no one that I could time pass with, and I do love making contents and interact with new people, so that's why I'm doing this. And well, you know what? Before even I got into trading, I was a YouTuber, bro. That's funny, but I've tried like uh, first my first YouTube channel was when I I think I got into college. Uh, at that time, I started a YouTube channel with some of my friends. They did not like continue that. So yeah, I closed that channel. After that, I opened like a gaming channel, and it was I think during COVID. There was like 4,000 subscribers on that channel. But funny thing is that my smartphone just like went dead. I bought that I think during COVID with 3 months saving. I bought a new phone and bro, it just went dead, bro. And then I sold that channel to my friends. After that, I think after 1 year or something like that, I got into trading and started doing trading. Started doing content again. I love making content, bro. Bro, it was like Free Fire, bro. I was so fucking addicted to that, bro. Now I've played like uh, Free Fire, Call of Duty, then Asphalt 9. Have you heard of that? Asphalt 9. There was like a racing cars game, Asphalt 9. It was like it has like crazy graphics. So I've played that. I played Call of Duty, PUBG, and then Free Fire. So I played like these four games. And bro, I think sometimes I think about those time. Like I've wasted so many fucking times, bro. I wish I could have like got introduced to trading more earlier. Yeah, bro. If I was uh, like 18 or 17 something, I think it was good for me because the more older we get, like life gets harder, bro. It gets harder. Oh, right. GU broke that high right there. GU broke that high, by the way. But it's still within that high right there, that trailing range. You see that second high right there? Let me tell you the time. 3:55 a.m. on pound. No, no. 3:55. 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame, and the time is like 3:55 a.m. Let me see. Yep, that high right there. As long as we are like below that, there is still a good chance that we can go low. But it's not moving, man. It's stuck there. I think for today I'll probably just trade NAS. I'll leave Forex for today. It's getting into my nerve. Yeah, I'll probably trade like I think I do not trade like that longer on NAS. I think I'll probably trade for like 10:30 a.m. Where's the falling? Papa, Papa, where's he? Hey, bro. So all good, bro. How are you? Chad, I think I will probably just leave uh Forex for today. I'll just trade mass today because there's no setup on Forex, bro. It's too slow. Good Shabari. Hey, bro. What's up? You could see, bro, there's no setup on pound and euro. So you should like, I think we should wait for tomorrow. We might see something tomorrow because most of the, yeah, for today's we did our move today. Almost we're done with the move. Let's see the daily candle. I think, let me see. That's right. We might, if we close that candle, that GU candle on the daily time frame, above that low, and then I think there's a high chance that we go and sweep that high and that high also. So that's what I'll be looking for tomorrow. But I don't know today what's gonna happen because it's like ranging right now. You could see GU didn't even move today. It didn't even move today. And I took a trade on euro today. That's why I took a trade. Took I think around two trades on GU during London, but both were like L. So took a trade on euro, got to break even again. And right now, yeah, we're still looking for setups, bro. There's nothing. There's nothing in the charts. Fuck, bro. There's nothing on the chart, bro. I do not see anything on the chart. Alright, we do have a fair value gap right now. Let me see if we can target like any lows right now. Let's see chat. We'll try to target some sell side liquidities. Let's see. But we're too close to that to these highs right there that there is like a huge chance price could go up. That's the thing that's stopping me to trade today. But let's see. But I do have a PDR right now in the chart. Let's see if we can fill that CB right there and go down. Where is the red? There it is. All right. Redness looking good. Please don't back my Chad, I'll probably just trade NAS today. But it doesn't look good, bro. Fuck. It doesn't look good. That I need to pee so bad, bro. Stay here. I'm gonna let me mute my mic, bro. Is it mute? No, it's not mute. Bro, that headset is like crazy heavy, bro. All right. Yo, chat. Have you guys taken any trade? Bro, I need to have one more cigarette, bro. Fuck. I'm having headaches. Chat, if you're enjoying the stream, give a thumbs up and yep, sub up, bro. Let me see. I just watching for yeah, bro, me too. There's nothing in the charts today. For Forex, I'm pretty fucked up, bro. There's nothing on Forex today, but you guys can look for this on USDJP. It can go lower. Yeah, we tapped into that. Let me see if I can get a short trade there. How much point? Yep. Let me see if we can get a trade into from there. I'll probably take 5 lots. Yeah, I might just go short. Fuck this slippage, bro. Fuck this slippage. That slippage is just fucking. Chad, it's gonna be a short trade. I'm not gonna hold that trade for long. So we have a bigger stop loss. So we're risking like what we're risking, bro. We're risking like almost 400 bucks, 366 bucks on that trade. I went short on that candle, and I'll probably target that low right there. Yep. It's strong right now. Let's see how it goes, chat. Might get cooked. We might get cooked, bro. Actually, just give me a nice trade, bro. Come on. The same time I enter the trade, bro, it just just start moving to the opposite direction, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, Nas gonna go higher, that's for sure, bro. But it should like let me show you. Fuck, where is those high? These lows here, these are too clean for me. So I think it could go lower when we hit the 9:30 opening bell. But let's see. When the market opens, we might see some SMT on in term of swing highs with ES, then go lower. But if we see that with swing lows, then we're gonna go up. But let's see if we can get this one though. Come on, bro, just give me around here. I'm doing this like around that rate right there. I think it's 1 to 2, I guess. Let me see on the 5 minute chart. Yeah, I'm gonna just reduce the risk a little bit more. Alright, chat, I'm risking like 340 bucks right now. Let's see. It's not even moving. The time I entered the trade, it starts either it's not gonna move or it's gonna stay there. What the fuck, bro? Come on, you start moving, bro. Fuck, bro. Stuck there, bro. JPO is just stuck there. Alright, alright, alright. That's cool. That's cool, bro. Fuck no. Come on. That's it. Fuck that shit. Let me see if it can goes down there. I think it's gonna go at least here, bro. But I'm not trusting the fact that it's gonna go down from that CB there. It's kind of like confusing, bro. I might just have a bigger stop loss today. Let me see. I'll just put the stop loss around here. So it's like 576 plus chat. Chat, my stop loss is around here. So my stop loss is here. Stop loss. Let's see. I might get out like in within 1:1. I'm not gonna hold this for too long because well, I've shot up like 5 lots there. Chat, just see that 5 minute candle. It's not even moving, bro. Like what the fuck? It's not even moving, bro. What can I say? Just look at mass. Alright, there's like 22 minutes left for the market open. Alright. If I see price close above that, I'm gonna fucking close the trade, chat. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna just close the trade. Yes, I don't want to see price close at CB entirely. Alright, it's fucking fluctuating too much. It's too much fluctuation right now. Let's see. So the 1 minute time frame is just crazy. But I'll put my stop loss above that high there. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. I don't want to risk too much on this trade, not gonna lie. So that's 400 bucks, bro. That's still huge. But let's see. If I take that loss, then I'll be like I'll be down like 200 for the day. But that's like 1,000 bucks if we hit our target. And if it keeps going down, then it's almost around like 1,500, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, that doesn't look good. We have a lower low, we have a higher low there. That doesn't look good, bro. We might see price push back into that CB one more time. Fuck it. Let's see. We might push back into the CB one more time, chat. Should I just, bro? I don't know. Fuck. As soon as we cross that low right there, we swap that low right there, we're gonna go down. But this doesn't look good though. Yeah, it's gonna fucking swap that high one more time. It's gonna fucking swap that high and then go down. But I'm gonna have my stop loss right there. We do have a CB right there as well. We do have a CB right there as well, chat. There's a volume imbalance on DXY. You could see. Alright, it's see USD JPY is not willing to go down, bro, like because of that SMT. Fuck, bro. Every time I enter a trade, we fucking have like SMTs with lows when I go short. It doesn't even move. Fuck, bro. How much short are we in right now? We're in around like 143 bucks. It's gonna just go down. Either you see. All right, we swept that high. Now I want to see if price want to go down or fuck, bro. I think it's gonna take my stop, bro. Yeah, there we go. There we go. It's gonna fucking take my stop. See, I told you. All right, we close the trade for 50 bucks loss on that trade. Fuck. I'll still look for setups. I'll still wait for a setup. Please don't break my heart. Boom, 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 boom. And now it's so it wanna go down. Like what the fuck, bro? See now it does wanna go down. I told you it's gonna take out the swap that high, but bro, fuck, fuck. I'm not gonna look at that anymore. Alright, we could go down when the 9:30 below. I think we're gonna go down on S when the market opens at 9:30. So let's see. We have a SMT right there, but Chad, I do not think USD JPY are gonna go higher anymore today because it moved like bro, it moved like 300 points today. So it will like take some pullback, bro. That was not even like some crazy target. Those were like we have SMT here though with GXY. But let's check on GU. Alright, we tapped into that on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Alright, we haven't formed any swing high yet on the 15-minute chart, so I'll probably stay out of it. But if you, you could see GU and Euro is going up, and used to JPY also going up. So what the fuck is going on, bro? What the fuck is going on? Like, really, bro? I want to see how price breaks off of this candle's high. I might go long again, but let me just wait for it. I do not want to rush. So, yep. Well, let me just see on that pitch. All right, we have like 10 minutes left for the 9:30 open. 10 minutes left. Let's see. Bro, fuck. Chat, what do you think? Nas gonna go down or go up? What do you think, chat? All right, I think yes, might swap that high, then go down. Though we have SMT, but there's a high probability that it could go up and swap that high. Nas, I don't know, bro. What's Nas gonna do? Yeah, Nas will also like make a higher high then go down. Let's see, chat. All right. So we choose what the fuck is going on. Every pair is going up, bro. What the fuck? Hmm. Bro, there's no setup on GU chat. There's nothing on GU. We didn't swap that high though, but we still didn't form any swing high on the 15-minute time frame. Wait for a swing high to form on the 15-minute time frame. So there's like 5 minutes left. So just wait for that. If you see a 15-minute swing high there, that's gonna be like a failure swing, and you also tap into that. Uh, Let me see, I'll tell you. Premium right now. Yeah, we tap into the premium zone with a failure swing with a SMT, so we could like go down if we see that 15-minute swing low form. I mean swing high form, but I want to see that candle low being crossed. Let's see. All right, we have like 5 minutes left for the 9:30 open. Where were you from? Doesn't matter, bro. I'm not gonna say where I'm from right now. Let's save that for later. You're gonna know soon, but not now. Alright, I should keep my smartphone here. Yeah, come on, boy. No, bro, I'm not from India. What? How many times I'll have to like say that, bro? Alright, there's almost like 4 minutes left for the news. I mean 9:30 open. Fuck, like keep saying news. So there's the 9:30 open. Bro, my wrist hurts so bad, bro. Okay. Alright, we have like 2 minutes left for the market open. Let's see. Fuck, bro. Alright. It's gonna go down, bro. It's gonna go fucking down, I think. That's gonna go down. That bitch manipulating before the open. So, yep, it's gonna go down. What the fuck? How many times? Yo, bro, put some more time frame on the charts, bro. Mm, all right. Short bias, I think. That's what I'm saying too, bro. See, see, chat. It went down, bro. But let's see. There's not that much volatility right now on NAS. We have to wait though. Let's wait. All right. Fuck it. Come on. Give me 400. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're enjoying the stream, sub up, bro. Come on. Currently, I'm in a trade on USD JPY and I'm up 216 bucks, 280, 290. Come on, give me 40, 400. I'll be out. I'm gonna be out. Bro, I'm down 200 today, bro. Oh, fuck. Fuck, bro. Ah. All right, I think I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna get out. Come on, give me 400. I'm out. Chat, I'm out. I just made 450. What the, what the fuck, bro? I got out around like 420 bucks. Beach dead. Bro, I see 373 bucks, bro. Chat. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? All right, I'm down. Let me see. All right, I'm up 400 bucks for today. I'm up 400 bucks, but still, chat, I'm down like I think 1100, some 1250 bucks on my eval. So let me just wait. All right, it's going down. It's going down, chat. Didn't I say that, bro? Yeah, bro. Ness is going down, bro. I told you. I didn't took the trade though. I took a trade on USD JPY. I think it was 400 bucks. Eh, Nas gonna go for those lows, bro. That's what I think it's gonna do. And what ES made it SMT that time, bro. Fuck. ES gonna be quicker. I think we should I do. Fuck, bro. How much is that? That's like 500. But the risk is too much. There's not that much volatility today on NAS. I thought there's gonna be a deep like retracement today, but there's no move, bro. We have a CB right now on NAS on a 1 minute time frame. Did you guys see that? There's a 1 minute CB right there on NAS, and it's going down from there, bro. It was it was like how much point, bro? That's there like 22 points. Fuck. All right, give me one more chance. Oh fuck, bro. We missed that chance, bro. Fuck. Are you trading using turtle soup? No, chat. I'm not using turtle soup. I'm only using liquidity. All right, there's a good chance to push out right now. Chat, we have the equals low right around here also, but let's just wait and see what the market does. All right, we formed a SMT with ES right now. Is it gonna go up? No, there's no clear swing low yet, chat. So just wait. Once we close above that CB, we might go up. But until then, do not rush. Let me just set my mic. There you see, there you go. So just wait and see how price reacts off of that, and then I think it can go up. But until then, so I got out around here on USD JPY. I went long again. I got stopped. I got stopped out first, and I went long again. When I stepped into that one more time, bro. Now step into that CB one more time. But I think we will go up. Nas could go up, chat. Bro, I think it's gonna go up. Nas gonna go up, chat. Oh fuck, bro. Should I go, chat? Or should I wait? Bro, I've been streaming like almost 2.5 hours right. There's nothing. There's nothing, chat. We can still go down. Can still go down. Let's look at GU though. Alright. Did GU form the 15-minute swing high there? Chat, it didn't form that swing high yet. I told you I wanted to see that candle close below that. We wanted to see a down close candle, but you could see GU didn't form that. So I think you have to wait for that. It might continue going up. So the best thing you could just not trade it. Do not trade, bro. But Nas could go up, chat. I'm not gonna lie, Nas could swap that high. That high right there on. Let me see if I can get a quick trade. But I'm gonna risk a little bit. Not gonna risk too much. Let me see. We have a BC right there also. Let's see if we can get a push into that. If we inverse this one, we are going down, chat. If we inverse that one, we're gonna go down. Do we have anything? Alright, we are going down, chat. Fucking slippage, bro. Fuck it, bro. Let me see where are we going. If I target, I'm gonna target very low. So that's like, oh my god. Said I shorted one contract there, but let's see. I might get stopped out because we inverse that, bro. Yup. Let's see. We could go up right now. We have that 5 minute SMT. If this candle doesn't go lower, we are gonna go up. Current candle should close that swap that previous candle's low. Yep, we took a loss there. I got out before I got stopped out. So I think I'll just wait for that 5 minute candle closure. With trading with funded account. Yes, chat. Suspension black. Bro, I just got out of the fucking trade and now it's moving down. Price didn't even close that balanced price range there. Fuck. Heavy. Heavy traded. Alright, we're going down. Let's just close that 5 minute candle. Let's just wait for that 5 minute candle closure chat. It could just go down right now. But what I'm saying, bro, fuck, bro, fuck, fuck, bro, fuck. Or we still have like, bro, chat, fuck, bro. What's up, bro? Bro, I just got out of the trade and now it's fucking moving. Fuck you, Nas. Just give me a re-entry, bro. Fuck, bro. Chat. What the fuck, bro? Let me show you my entry though. I just got hooked, bro. Fuck. Chat, you see that? I went I went short right around here because of slippage. It took me down here. And my stop loss was around here, but I got out. It's too early, bro. Fuck, it moved like, bro, that was like 400 bucks. Fuck, fuck. All right, let me see something else. All right, used to JPY presented as CB there. Bro, I do trade funded account, bro. What are you saying, bro? I do trade, bro. I do trade. Give me something, I'm going in. Come on, give me something. That, bro, that's a crazy, that's a like scary shot there. Fuck, bro. You swept that low right there. That's what's stopping me to going right now. I have something else to look for right now. I'm looking at something else, bro. See that? If I went short again, bro, I got it too soon, bro. There was no reason for me to do that. 315 bucks loss, bro. Fuck. I told you it's gonna go up. Fucking go up. Listen, they use 30 or to trade when you know the direction of all in the same is setting up short level and you're everybody trading everybody. Bro, there's no correlation. I do for me I usually like do not see that much correlation with ES or NQ when trading US 30. That's why I stopped. trading US 30. Otherwise, I would have like traded US 30, but that shit moves with its own, bro. Come on, come on, give me something. See, where are we right now? Shit, do you see that? Oh, I didn't even tap into that. Fuck, bro. Damn. Yes, we got those lows. Mass, we got those lows. But we do have S&P. I think ES gonna like S&P gonna take out these lows. Then it would go up. That's what I think. Yup. Just give me a close. Give me a close. I'll then go short. Is it gonna close or go off of it? Bro, I'm gonna trade limit. And so it's gonna market might just consider it from here. It's Monday and onwards, which means no volatility. It could, bro, it could, but I think let's see, chat. Bro, I'm gonna trade with limit order, bro. That's better for me, I guess. How long is left? Alright, 12 seconds. It should fall right now. If it doesn't fall right now, it's gonna go up, bro. It's easy to press when the accounts if you only trade YM. Is it, bro? My target on NAS is so low, bro. It's like, yep, bro. Let's see if I get cooked one more time. Alright, I'm gonna get cooked one more time, chat. So that's like, ah, fuck, bro. I'm gonna have a sick. My last cigarette, bro. Alright, we're in profit right now, but fuck, bro. When you have like 500 bucks loss, these 100 bucks doesn't look. I'm gonna hold this trade on, bro. I'm gonna hold this. Alright, now I think we could go down, chat. Not gonna. Once we close below that, we're good to go down. And we're gonna target like I'm targeting these highs, these lows. There you go. There we go. Come on, bro. Alright, we are up like 200 bucks right now, but that fuck. Look, it's bro, it's teasing right now. Price is teasing right now. Fuck. I'm gonna reduce my risk, bro. Yeah, I'm risking like 164 bucks on this trade. I do not want to see price go up again, bro. Yes, it's far better in terms of going down. Nas is too much fluctuating, bro. All right, we tapped into another inverse CB right now, but I do want to see that 1 minute CB to resist price to go up. That CB right there. I want to see price push it down. But we have this one right here. So we have these. But I do have something else. Let's see chat. All right, price closed. All right, there we go. There it goes again to my stop. Come on, take take my stop. Bro, the Discord chat is going crazy. All right, I oh fuck, damn, bro. We have this week here also. Let's see. We have this week upper quadrant. We tapped into the upper quadrant right now. Let's see how this candle close. All right, it closed to the 50% of that week. Let's see how we move from there. That's gonna depend whether I'm gonna be in this trade or not. Chad, I'm either gonna take that loss or I'm either gonna take a win. Because if I get out, I'll see price move to my direction. That is gonna piss me off, bro. And it's not even moving right now. Not gonna lie, that's fucking crazy, bro. Maybe I'll, maybe you're right. I should wait for that. At least I need $100, bro. Come on, took a big stop there. So that's for. I'm not targeting too much on this trade. All right, it's looking good right now. It's looking good, chat. But let's see. Who knows? It might go up. It might go up. Let me take this off and put a fuck. That's huge, bro. Fuck. All right. That's not looking good. Come on, bro. Push, bro. Give me back my money, bro. Mass. Come on, bro. Chat thinks I'm crazy. Chat thinks I'm crazy, bro. But it's somewhere in my PDA, bro. Yup. It, it's resting within my PDA. So I might just trail my stop loss a little bit more. Yeah, so that's $150. I'm risking $150 on this trade. Yeah, it's going up again. There we have SMT right now. I might close the trade, chat. Or I'm out, chat. Fuck. That's $11, bro. I'll just wait, chat. I want to see how price react off of that PDRA of mine. I want to see if that candle You see that? See those SMT with ES? You see those? Yep. Yeah. It took out that stop loss. I mean, did it took out that? All right. Didn't took out those that sell side liquidity yet. So if we see that low being broken, I'm gonna go in again after we see a CB or something inversed. But I do not want to see. We didn't formed any like swing low yet. So there is a huge chance that price could go down because we inverse that right now. There we go. If it goes down, then I'll have some order. See, there you go. There we go. I might go long. I might go long, chat. I might go long. Let's see. It's melting for, yeah, bro. YM. But fucking see that, bro. I hate that, bro. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck just happened? What the fuck, bro? Bro, I'm not gonna look at that, bro. If I look at that, I'll probably add that to my watch list. So, all right, we didn't close or cross took that low right there, so that becomes invalid chat. Now I want to see how we respect. I want to see price close above that, and then we could use this as an order block to go long. You could already see price. Let me show you where is that. Price didn't price already took that. Yeah, that's right there. But let's see. I want to see a close. I want to see a close there. You see that chat? Might go long right now. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, there you go. There we go. All right, we're up $100 on that right now. Let's see. I'm gonna trail my stop loss a little bit more. Bro, what the fuck is it? What the fuck is going on, bro? Alright, once this high right there gets swept, we are going up. Once that high gets swept, we are going up. Let's see. Alright, it's again coming back. What? That's fucking crazy, bro. What the? Alright, we're getting. Yeah, come on, take me stop, bro. Fuck. Ah, might blow this account today. Ah, fuck, bro. We're down $100 today, chat. Today we are down $100. Fuck no, bro. Where are we right now? We should have respected that, but that doesn't look good though. So I don't know what's gonna happen right now. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, I was bearish for NAS, but it's now consolidating. Bro, what are you even, bro? Just stop it, bro. US 30, US 30, what the fuck? Just stop it now. Yes, New York opening gap, tag and back to what you bro, this card is going crazy. But it's going sideways right now. Fuck, let me see if I can get any trade on other pairs. I'll probably leave this fuck. Right, you made higher high. You made lower. Come on, bro. There's no setup on Forex today. What the fuck? These are also moving sideways. Yeah, fuck. Now it's moving up. Nas being nasty to the chat. Nas is being nasty. Come on, bro. Alright, alright. I'll go somewhere. Yeah, chat Nas being nasty to. Alright, bro. Fuck. It's too much volatility right now to consider even an trade. Come on, closer with that. I have one video right now. So it's going down right now. Alright, it could go down. It could go down. Nas could go down yet. Bro, fuck. G is still going up. What the fuck? Bro, once we close above that, we're going. I'm gonna take a long either I'm gonna get stopped out or what the fuck. Let's see. I'm not gonna risk too much though. Shut the weaker. Chat, but I wanted to see like NAS go down though. NAS should go down though. There's liquidities, but I do not trade ES. I think I need to start trading ES, bro. I think I need to start trading ES. Fuck. Like NAS is being nasty today. Fuck. Bro, I've been streaming for about 3 hours right now. Fuck. Oh my god. There's nothing in the chart that I can trust to take a trade. Fuck, bro. Fuck. See, there's nothing. Bro. I'm only gonna go long after we invert this one here. I mean, should go short if we like invert this one. Bro, just close the trade, bro. Nas is not gonna go up, I think. I took two loss today. I took two loss on Nas, bro. It's not even moving right now. I think yeah, bro. It's time stalling right now. It could go lower. Yeah. Right now it's ranging right now. I might go short again. Come on, give me something. Fuck, bro. Yeah, let me see SMT. Chad, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, sub up, bro. And yeah, check out Finity Funding. You might like them. And to be honest, Chad, they're like too underrated. They're doing well in terms of like giving payouts to traders. They're not denying any payouts, as far as I know. So you can check them out. And the eval price is not even eval price is not even. All right, I'm going short, I guess. Fuck. Yep. I need to charge my phone though. Fuck. This. So I'm either gonna take a big loss today, or either gonna take a crazy fucking win today. I want to see it go down, bro. And it's just fucking crazy how it's moving today. Where the fuck is chat? There you, there you guys. It's just waiting for some kind of bullshit, bro. I kind of think like Nas is waiting for something. But as far as I'm saying, bro, it should go down. But the time I entered the trade, it just stopped moving, bro. It just stopped moving. Fuck. Alright. But that's not looking good though. Fuck. Nas being nasty today. Bro, what the fuck? Alright. Fuck. Who created that 15 years? Tell him again. What the fuck? If you missed, then what do I was wait for the tempo? Fuck. Bro, my my chat's being crazy, bro. Chat, it's not a funded account. It's email, bro. You don't have to worry about that. I want to see what I gonna do. I'm gonna be down for like 2 to 300 for today. If I if I take these last two, that's gonna be like almost 400. Tell him about macro, bro. Do not tell me about macro. I do not trade macro. I do not fucking trade macros. That might that might hurt you, bro. But that's that's the truth. I do not trade macros. I have my own strategies, but I'm being, bro. I'm not just. I'm just gambling right now. You would say something like that. I'm expecting something to see on the chart. I'm forcing myself to trade right now. All right, so let's see. Chad, I don't want to backtest anything else, bro. I have my strategy or model, whatever you say. I don't want to get confused about any more strategies or concept, bro. That's the thing, bro. That's why I do not even watch any new videos about trading. I'm fine with my strategy. It's just stalling, bro. Fuck. The problem is not my concept, not nothing. It's just stalling right now. Price is stalling. That's the fucking problem. Alright, we created a fucking 15-minute swing high, swing low right now. Let's see. Let's look at ES. Alright, ES didn't create any swing low yet, but it's fucking gonna stop me out. Let's see if I get stopped out. Let it. Yeah, there you go. I might close that trade. But I feel like if whenever I close the trade, price fucking runs without me in my directions. I'm either gonna take the loss or just wait for something else. Just come and do whatever you want to do it. I do not fucking care. I do not care about that anymore. Alright, there you go. Just take my stop. What the fuck can I say to you, bro? I'm watching all of that. Yes, we have SMTs and everything else. It should go up. Net should go up. That means net's gonna go up. But I do not see that video being violated yet. So fuck. All right, someone stop me. It's fucking fluctuating too much right now. All right, the battery gone. The battery has died, chat. It's not even fucking moving. Bro, Geos keep pushing higher and higher, bro. What the fuck is Euro doing? Alright, Euro. Let's see if we can get something on Euro. Alright. USD Jaipur didn't even moved. It could go higher, but it's gonna take a long fucking time. It's gonna take a long fucking time. Either shoot or go down, bro. What the fuck are you doing? It's not even shooting right now. Do one of these two things, bro. Why the fuck are you? Alright, alright, fucking right. Alright, there we go. There our stop goes. Come on, take us up. Yep. Yeah. Chat, I'm gonna stop for today. I've taken, I think I'm down 400 today. So for today, I'm gonna close the stream. And chat, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Because I don't think there's gonna be any good setup today. If I stay like this for longer, I'm gonna get more losses. So I'll probably end the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, be safe, chat.